Can I get an Olay? We are in the land of Don Juan, Carmen, and of course that famous barber, the Barber of Seville, the area of Spain that inspired over 100 classic operas. One of the great spots in Spain to visit and of course to photograph. Please join me on today's photo walk. I'm Jefferson Graham, a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker, and I am your guide for today's photo walk. Let's explore the land of Seville. Come on. I've put a 90-minute photo walk around town together for you. Check the details on our blog. It will take you from the cathedral in the center of town through the tiny curved streets of the Santa Cruz Barrio, over to the tower and across the bridge to the Triana district. I happen to love the street photography, and speaking of streets, these really tiny, out-of-the-way streets. Cars actually drive up and down them, if you can believe it. They're a lot of fun to explore and to photograph. The best place to get an overhead shot of Sevilla, hands down, is the Torre del Oro. A few euros will let you climb up all the way to the top and look out over the river to the Triana district, as well as back towards Sevilla and that giant cathedral. From there, walk across the bridge to the Triana district, which is known for the big food market, local tapas bars, and a lot of shops that specialize in ceramic tiles. Most tourists also visit the real Alcazar, a former castle dating back to the year 913. It's quite the photo spot. Our tip is to buy your tickets to get in advance, otherwise you could be standing online for hours. The guidebooks will tell you that the only way to see a flamenco show is to pay top dollar and go to one of the restaurants or theaters. Don't pay them no heed. You will see flamenco dancers on the streets. Just give them a tip and you will catch some great music. As far as getting that shot of the Matador, you have a few choices. One is just snap a photo of any of the iconic bullfighting posters. Another is to go over to the bullfighting arena and shoot some of the statues. Third is to do what I did, 21 euros to go to the bullfight in Sevilla. Let's see how it goes. So that's a wrap for our photo walk from Sevilla, Spain. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, hit the bell, stay up to date with the latest photo walk videos. Stay tuned for more videos, including our next stop, which is Lisbon, Portugal. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks again for watching.